me. You're gonna die and then watch you suffer. You think we'll still have to suffer anymore? Not anymore. Just come to me. No! You're gonna die! I'm gonna kill you now! You're gonna die! I'm gonna kill you! I'll kill you! And you won't survive a bit! I'll kill you! You blame when I hurt you! I'll make you suffer! I'll make you suffer every bit! Don't be afraid. I can fix you. One last game. Aren't you getting sleepy? We're not done about getting yet! We're not! I can smell your blood! You're not gonna get away so easily!
Me, I like my horse, my pony, my horse.
This was a mistake. You're a mistake. Everything was a mistake. You didn't have to do this. Why are you even here? You can leave at any point you want. You're a mistake in this. I'm a mistake. Everyone's a mistake. You're a mistake. This is all a mistake. Now I got you. That was a mistake. Here I come. I can hear you. I hear you. Don't sink your sweat. I found you, didn't I? I hear your heart. You're gonna die. Shut up. You're gonna die. I'm gonna watch you suffer. I'm gonna slit you. You're not gonna show an inch. None of you will. You're not. You're not. It get worse. You watch the mic and all that table. And you'll die faster.
Howdy there, friends. How are you and how are your days today? Today we are playing a game. And that game is called Hide and Seek! Now, we are playing today. Isn't it exciting? Sure, we get to play all day we want. All day, all day, all day, all day.
Enough of that. That was a long time ago.